We're here at the NRVTA. We're in water heaters and furnaces.
I'm in water heater and furnaces class this week.
We're learning how to troubleshoot and diagnose issues that come up with these appliances in your RV.
Everything is going great so far. I've learned a lot of troubleshooting hints on the water heaters and the furnaces.
We're getting a lot of hands-on. It's a great experience. You think you might know a lot, but you don't. They show you a lot of stuff.
Sue, the instructor, is amazing.
Sue is our instructor, and she's doing an awesome job. She's given us all the material we need to be successful. This is something great to get into because there's a lot of RVs out on the market. There's not a lot of RV techs.
If you're not here, you're missing out.
You're missing out if you're not here.